Hi and welcome to my channel, and this is the Insta360 X3, and I've had this for about 6 months and I'm really pleased with its results. Its 360 features are really good, but I hadn't really tested out its other features like its vlogging capabilities and its other time-lapse capabilities as well. So for this video I've decided to test some of the features out for that, because I used to use the Hero 10 for my vlogging, for which unfortunately it's not that reliable because it freezes up and you have to actually pull the battery out, so that's not great. And when you've got it on the bike or something and it freezes, there's not much you can do about it. And also this is quite cumbersome sometimes. It's a great camera for vlogging, but I can't use it all the time because it's just a bit too, I don't know, inconvenient to get out. So I've decided to use this for the entire video, obviously except for the drone shots, but see what you think in the comments below, and also the audio, and see what you think and where the audio come from, because unfortunately with me I was a bit forgetful, forgot to turn the mic on, so I've had to use the audio from the camera in some parts of the video. Let me know in the comments to see what you think the audio is. So let's get on with the video. Well, today it's a nice patchy cloudy day, and that's when the sun can come out and go behind the clouds as well, so I can use that for an opportunity to get some nice soft diffused light at a certain intensity I want. So all I need to do is wait for the sun just to go in the clouds to the point I get the right intensity of light that I need. And I'm going to pop off to a local waterfall that I've got in a national park. So I'm going to go down there. I've never been there before, but this will be a kind of journey of discovery to find out whether we can get a really good composition of this waterfall. And on Google Maps the pictures there look pretty good, so I'll be interested to see what I can find. So without wasting any more time, let's get on and get there. This road's looking not too good. Well, there's a signpost for it, but it's back there. I've already been down that road and can't find it. So where is it? So it's just a matter of checking the phone. Let's have a look on Google again, see where this thing is. Let's get the maps together, that's it. Find out where it's coming from. Well, let's have a look again. So the sign back there did say that the waterfall is along this road, but I haven't found any further sign to indicate its exact location. And I'm near the area for which Google says this waterfall is, and I found no car park, even though in the comments they said parking's available. So it's a bit strange where I can't see any facilities for which you would find when you see those sort of comments, and the pictures of the waterfall look quite good. So I'm going to carry on further down the road to see what I can find, and I may need to think about stopping somewhere to get the drone up to do a reconnaissance near the location where Google says this waterfall actually is, and see how difficult it is to get to, because I don't want to walk too far away from the bike. Oh, quick sit rep. Can't seem to find cascades anywhere or waterfalls, but there's no signpost. The only signpost I found was at the entrance to this particular road, the D114, but there's no actual signpost to point towards where it actually is. So on Google Maps it says it's just down there somewhere. So but I don't want to lug all my gear all the way down there and find there's nothing there. So I'm going to get the drone out and do a scout. Got to be careful because I don't want to go too far down there and let that get caught up in some trees. So I'll do an aerial scout. The pictures show on Google that it's in open ground, so we should be able to find it, but we'll find out. So I'm just going to get the drone up and see what we can find. Okay, I had the drone up and it seems to have found the place, and there may be looks like alongside the road there's some parking area, but we'll see. But I think I found the area because there's a bit open area. I see some water. I think I see some cascades there. So I'll just go and investigate there to see what we can find. If not, I'll have to find somewhere else to do my shoot. So I'm trying to find an area where I'm not too far from the bike and I've got good light for the composition, but the only thing I can find is down there. But it's the only thing. I don't think there's a decent spot I can get there. I need to have the camera stable because I want to do a long exposure to smooth out the water, get some motion. Looks like that one's blown out. So what I'm going to do is check Google Maps to see if there's anywhere else. I think it's a castle around here somewhere. Might check that. I think it's further up the road. So let's have a look at that. It's a nice enough day, and by the time I get there, the sun should be quite low in the sky. So I think I'll go for that. So unfortunately the cascade or waterfall is out of the picture today. Found this ruined chateau. It's a bit of a climb up the hill, so let's see we can do some droning as well. Get a nice drone shot of this. And the sun is in lower in the sky, so the light might be better. Well, they obviously need a lot of work here. They've got the scaffolding up ready. But I'm just having a look about, and with the scaffolding I'm not going to get a good photo inside here. So I think I'll not worry about that and just have a look about. And there's this gap in the wall here, so I'll see what the view's like. That looks quite nice. So I think what I'll do is go back down and do some aerial photography with the drone instead, and I think I'll get a better opportunity for a good photo there rather than inside here. I did try and find this waterfall that I wanted to get some shots of. Unfortunately, there was just no access to it. Couldn't find anywhere I could get to it that easily. So the reports say there was parking available and then you can just have a short walk to this area, but I couldn't find it. So other than that, found this chateau, although it's a ruin. But we'll Google this chateau, see the history of it, and I managed to get some nice shots on the drone instead. So not all in all a completely wasted day. So there you go. If you have watched the video all the way through, I really appreciate that, because it does help the YouTube algorithm. And let me know what you thought about the Insta360 and its features and how it performed, as well as that. And if you did like the video, hit that subscribe button, press the like button, and also ring the notification bell. Obviously put the comments in below for me to read them, and I'll give the feedback as well, so I'm really looking forward to that. And you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.